Binance has added Genius Terminal Genius and OpenGradient OPG to its spot trading markets, both carrying the seed tag. This means that traders can now buy and sell these tokens on Binance, with trading pairs including USDT, USDC, and TRY. The seed tag is a signal from Binance that these are newer or potentially higher-risk assets, which may experience increased volatility. The listings went live on May 22 at 11:00 UTC, and Binance has already announced future marketing token allocations of 25 million Genius and 15 million OPG, indicating a strategic interest in promoting these tokens beyond the initial launch. Genius Terminal is a multi-chain decentralized exchange, DEX, trading terminal designed to streamline on-chain trading by integrating multiple protocols into one interface. The platform allows users to trade gaslessly in a non-custodial environment and with a single margin setup. According to available data, Genius Terminal has secured over $6 million in funding from private rounds led by investors like Izzy Labs, Balaji Srinivasan, and Ava Labs. OpenGradient, on the other hand, is a decentralized computational layer for verifiable AI. The project aims to provide a coprocessor network that enables model inference through GPU and trusted execution environment nodes. It has raised. Most people arrive after the move is obvious and the easy upside is gone. We focus on serious crypto education and high-quality signals before the crowd rushes in, so you can understand the setup earlier and move sooner. If you want that edge, visit the link below now. A total of $9.5 million from notable backers including A16Z Crypto, Coinbase Ventures, and Foresight Ventures. OpenGradient's token supply is fixed at 1 billion OPG, with a clear distribution plan across ecosystem, foundation, contributors, investors, and staking rewards. The Binance seed tag is a classification typically reserved for newer or less established assets. It serves as a cautionary indicator for traders, suggesting that these tokens may be more volatile and less liquid than others on the platform. While this doesn't necessarily mean the tokens are risky, it does highlight that traders should be aware of the potential for sharp price movements. The inclusion of Genius Terminal and OpenGradient on Binance is significant because it reflects the exchange's ongoing efforts to expand its spot market offerings with innovative projects. These tokens are not just any new listings. They are backed by substantial funding and have clear use cases in decentralized trading and AI infrastructure. For traders, the key takeaway is that Binance is actively supporting these projects through marketing allocations and spot listings. This could lead to increased visibility and liquidity for both tokens. However, the seed tag remains a reminder that volatility is a factor, and traders should approach these assets with appropriate risk management. The next signal to watch is how these tokens perform in the first few days post-listing. Binance often sees increased volume and price movement in newly listed assets, especially when backed by strong fundamentals and institutional backing. If either token shows sustained interest and liquidity, it could indicate broader adoption and a stronger market position. The fixed supply of OPG and the non-custodial nature of Genius Terminal are structural advantages that could support long-term value. However, as with any new listing, especially those with the seed tag, the market's reaction will be a key determinant of there. Most people arrive after the move is obvious and the easy upside is gone. We focus on serious crypto education and high-quality signals before the crowd rushes in, so you can understand the setup earlier and move sooner. If you want that edge, visit the link below now. Trajectory. Investors should also pay attention to the marketing allocations and how Binance plans to promote these tokens. A well-executed campaign could lead to increased awareness and adoption, which in turn could influence price and trading activity. In summary, the addition of Genius Terminal and OpenGradient to Binance's spot markets is a notable event in the crypto space. It highlights Binance's continued expansion into new and innovative projects, while also signaling caution to traders through the seed tag. The next few days will be critical in determining how the market responds to these listings and whether they can maintain momentum.